get a life before you get a boyfriend. I know I fell for the line too in Jerry Maguire. You complete me. It's so romantic. But it's horseshit. I mean, really? Do you want to be half of a person? No, you want to be a whole person. If you aren't, you're needy. If you aren't, your whole world revolves around his. And that's a lot of pressure. It's also not sexy. So what is sexy? Having a life. Being busy. Being driven and self-sufficient. Having your own interests. Being interesting. It's hard to keep a guy interested if you're not interesting. So how do you become interesting? How do you get a life? By going out and doing things, by having friends, by having hobbies. You want to have things to talk about, to contribute to high quality conversations. You don't just want to be the pretty face or the one who's agreeable. You want to have an opinion. You want to contribute. But don't pretend to be so busy. Be busy. If you're not, then get that life. Have passions. Be passionate about your career, your projects, your classes, your hobbies, anything. That is sexy. And a guy will think, wow, all that passion that she has for her career or her hobby, imagine if she put that passion on me. Still, you want to make time for him. You don't want to be so busy that you can't find time to squeeze him into your schedule. You don't want to be that girl who's difficult, who's impossible to make plans with, who makes him feel like he's a burden. You want to show him that he's important to you, that you are going to make time for him. You want him to know that he's a priority, because what you're also doing is you're setting the standard. You're saying, I'm very busy, but you're a priority to me. And you show him that. And guess what? You're going to become a priority to him too. You're saying, this is how I'm acting. Let me show you. And he will then take that cue and act that way with you. Be excited to see him. Make him feel good and wanted. Let him know that while you really are busy, you can't wait to see him. You can't wait to just relax with him and let everything else go. If you can't show up energetically, don't show up at all physically. That's the thing with being busy. Remember that while your business and your friends and your classes and your interests are obviously very important, in the end, it's your relationship that should be the or at least one of the top priorities, so act like it. Get a life, then get a boyfriend, and you will contribute so much more to that relationship. And because you have your own life, you'll be confident within that relationship. And that's very sexy. Confidence, more than anything else, is a huge turn on for men.